Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Bitmoji virtual classroom using Google Slides and Bitmoji. Through this app, we can creatively design our own virtual classroom and create interactive lessons. Are you guys ready? Now let's start. First, we have to open our browser, which is the Google Chrome. Make sure to sign in with your Gmail account. Click the icon on the upper right corner as shown on the screen. Then you choose which account you are going to use. Click the icon beside it for the Google Apps to pop up. Look for Slides icon, then click to open. Once you open the slides and you are new to this app, you click the Start a New Presentation for you to create a new one. So today you will learn how to create interactive virtual classroom using the slides and of course the Bitmoji icons or the Bitmoji stickers. What you see on the screen is my finished output. So now let us start from the very beginning. Click here to create a new slide. After creating a slide, let us insert a background. Choose image. There are options where you can get the image. So we will click Google Image Search. So let us search images from the web. So let us type floor to wall background. So a lot of pictures appear. So we will choose the best picture for our slide. Okay, I will choose this one. Then click insert. Then done. We will delete first the text box. Okay, just click the box, then delete. Once the boxes are deleted, we can also change the color of the wall. So let us insert shape, the rectangular one. Okay, just drag. So if we don't want that color, we can change the color by clicking the fill color. So we will choose which one is your favorite color. So here I choose yellow. After that, we will now insert some images from the web. So we will click search for images. Then let us type transparent whiteboard. If you're going to add an image, make sure to put transparent before the word you want to search. Alright, that's it. Perfect! Now let us adjust the size so the other images can also fit in the slide. Let us add another image. Okay, search from the web. Let us type transparent bookshelf. So here a lot of bookshelves will appear. So you choose the best one. choose this one. I will add this bookshelf to the slide. So click insert again. Then let us again adjust the size of the bookshelf. We must think of a brilliant and creative idea how to beautify our classroom in order to catch the attention of the pupils. Pupils would always love to be in a classroom that is conducive for learning and also where they can feel comfortable. Now let us insert another image. Let us search from the web. Now let us add another thing to our classroom. Okay, so here I will add a clock. Now let us look for a beautiful clock for our classroom. Alright, I'm gonna choose this square clock. So click insert. Then I'm gonna place this clock on top of the bookshelf. Right there. This time I'm gonna add another classroom decoration. I'm gonna put elegant frame. Alright, I'm gonna add this frame. Again, I will adjust the size of the frame so that it will fit beside the whiteboard. Since we now have a beautiful frame, now let us add a beautiful spot that is located in our country. So here I'm gonna choose the famous Mount Mayon, the perfect shaped volcano located in Albay. It's a perfect cone-shaped volcano. I am going to adjust again the size of the picture so that it will fit inside the frame. If the image is too large, so we can crop the image. Just like this one. Alright, we will crop the sides. Then let's try to fit this image inside the frame. Right there, perfect. Guys, let me remind you that you can add anything on the slide that you think that could add beauty in your classroom, in your virtual classroom. Okay, here I'm going to add an owl figurine. Let us also add a table for our classroom. Okay, let us select the best table for our classroom. Alright, I will choose this one. I don't know if this is really a table or a table with a cabinet or a drawer. Of course, our table would not be complete without a flower vase that would add beauty. I will choose this beautiful flower vase with beautiful flowers in it. Now it's time to add a Bitmoji. Make sure that you have downloaded the Bitmoji app as an extension on Google Chrome. If you haven't downloaded yet the Bitmoji app, go to Google Chrome, type Bitmoji, then click the link to download. After that, you will be asked by the Google if you want to install the Bitmoji app as an extension on Google Chrome. So you have to do it. But if you have the app extension already, so you have to click the icon, then select the Bitmoji or avatar that you want to add on your classroom. So there it is. We can also add a chair. Take note that we can also change the order of the images if you want to send the image backward or forward, or if you want to bring it front or bring it back. If you are fond of animals, because kids love animals, you can also add a pet dog. You can do that because this is just a virtual classroom. But of course, in the real setup or in the real classroom, you cannot bring your pets in your classroom. Now let us add some text. There are a lot of font options located at the top, so you just have to click it and scroll down for you to choose which font you're going to choose or use. If you want to make it more colorful, so we can also change the font color. Okay, just click the A icon located at the top or on the upper part of the whiteboard. Here I added Bitmoji Virtual Classroom Easy Tutorial, since this video is all about a tutorial about Bitmoji Virtual Classroom. At the bottom part, I will add the name of my YouTube channel, which is Boholana Advisor. So if you learned something from this video, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you will get updated of my latest videos, especially on the relevant topics and useful tutorials. Once you're done editing the slide, click File, then click Download for you to be able to download the slide. So you choose which format you want to download. So here I'm going to choose the PNG image for a clear resolution of the picture. You can see here once the image is downloaded already. Suppose you have made some slides or interactive slides for your pupils, you can click Present for you to be able to view the slides in full screen, just like a PowerPoint presentation, just like this one. Beautiful, isn't it? One of the most important things that you should know in using these slides You can also add a link from YouTube or from Google. Just copy the link of the video from YouTube that you want to add on the slide. Then paste it here. Then click apply. Take note, you can add as many links as you like. You just have to click any image where you want to insert the link. Say, I want to add this animals that live both in land and water video to the slide. So I'm going to place it or insert it or apply it on the clock. Now let us take a look if we successfully inserted or applied the links on the images. Okay, let us click presentation or present. Let's try to click this image. See if the link or we will get directed to the link that we applied on the image. Okay, look at that. So once we clicked the girl or the Bitmoji avatar, so we get directed to the YouTube. So the types and layers of soil. Okay, isn't it amazing? This slide is really useful and helpful for us, especially in teaching our children, since we are now in online learning. Let's have to click another image, the clock. Alright, we now get directed to YouTube again. So this time, the video is about the animals that live both in land and water. That's right, perfect. I think that's all for now. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. And if you do, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell for you to get updated on my latest videos. So see you guys in my next video. For more interesting educational videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get updated of my latest videos.